welcome back to our Texas homestead. Today we're gonna make sourdough starter from scratch. Sorry about the noise in the background, we have the freeze dryer going. So this is how you can make it with, all you need is either wheat flour or rye flour and filtered water. So it takes about 7 days, but after that then you have sourdough starter for as long as you want to keep making sourdough.
Does it matter what kind of filter you use?
Water?
Yeah.
It just says filtered water because the chlorine that's in some water can kill the microbes and stuff that grow in it. So first we're going to start out with a cup of wheat flour. And then we're going to add in a cup of water. You're going to mix it really well. And they say to use wheat or rye flour because it's much more active with that kind of flour. But once you get it going, then you can use any flour. You can use just regular white flour or acorn flour or anything you find that you like.
You can use self-rising or all-purpose?
Yeah, anything. So once you get it all mixed up, scrape down the sides a little bit. And then you're just going to put a lid on it. You don't want it too tight. Today won't be too bad, but in the next couple of days it'll really bubble up and everything. So you'll want to make sure you do the lid loosely because it'll puff up out of it a little bit. So we're just going to leave this sitting, and then in 24 hours we'll come back and do the next step. Hey guys, so it's day 2 and this is what it looks like. It hasn't really started doing anything yet. So today we add another cup of water and another cup of wheat or rye flour. And then stir it up again really well. Scrape down the sides again, and then you're going to put your lid and ring on loosely and then let it sit another 24 hours, and we'll be back tomorrow for day 3. Okay, so we're on day 3 now. And that is how active it was last night and this morning. I thought it would be like tonight that it would get that active. So for day 2, make sure you put it underneath, put a plate underneath of it to catch all the overflow. But now I'm going to show you how to do day 3. So for day 3, you're going to remove half of it. You can see how full it got. It's all bubbly now. And it's really thick. So it doesn't have to be exact, but you just want to remove about half of it. And then you're just going to add another cup of water. and another cup of flour. Stir it all up again.
Sorry for the background noise. We're freeze drying some apples. They're really good, by the way. We'll do a video on them here soon. But
so then you're going to scrape down the sides again. And I think today we'll just set the lid on. I won't screw it on at all. It's more just kind of keep stuff out of it than really keep it in. And then you just let it sit on the counter for 24 hours again. And then day 3, 4, and 5 is all the same. You take out half, add a cup of water, add a cup of flour. So we'll be back tomorrow to do the next one.
see you then.
Hey guys, so welcome back. Today is day 6. I didn't record day 4 and 5 because it's the exact same as day 3. You discard half, and then you add a cup of water and a cup of flour. So today's day 6, so you do the same exact thing, but you do it every 12 hours. So I already did it this morning, so I'm going to do it this time. And then after today, we can start making stuff with it. So I think I'm going to start out making some cinnamon rolls tomorrow. So let me get this half of it dumped out. And then you're going to add back in your cup of water and your cup of flour. And after today, you could start using any kind of flour that you want. So tomorrow we'll use like a cup of it to make the cinnamon rolls, and then we'll add back in another cup of flour and a cup of water, and then you can either leave it sitting on your counter if you're going to use it again in a day or so, or you can put it in the refrigerator until you're ready to start making something else. So, and by the end of it, this is like how thick it is. It's really, I don't even know what consistency that would be. It's almost kind of like a glue. So, anyways, I'll bring you back tomorrow in a new video so we can make some cinnamon rolls. See you then.